Landing page tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you step by step how to set up a website with Strikingly as a beginner. The first thing you want to do once on strikingly.com, you're going to enter your name, then you can enter your email address, and then you're going to create a password. After doing that, you're going to tap on Get Started for free. Once you have tapped on Get Started for free, you'll be redirected to their templates page. On their templates page, you can see from the left-hand menu option the different categories, or you can scroll down until you have found a theme or template that you would like to use. Since we are creating landing pages for this example, I'm going to select landing page. Then let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. All I'll need to do is tap on Start Editing. Once you have tapped on Start Editing, you will be redirected to a new page. And this is how the editor page looks on Strikingly. Now to get started, it's quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is select the image. For example, if you would like to change the image, you could tap on the current image, then select Replace. And from here, you could tap on Browse Your Computer, for example, and let's say I were to use this image. I can quickly tap on the image that I would like to add. After you have added the image, let me do that real quick. You can see right there, the image has now changed. And it is the same thing when it comes onto the text. You can tap on the text section that you would like to edit, and you can change the text real quick. And also when it comes onto the buttons, you can simply hover over the buttons, tap on Edit. From there, you can change the button text. You can also change the direction of the link, whether you'd like to redirect persons to a web address, email, or a section of your website. And if you would like to change the design, you could tap on Design, and you could change the button color, button size, and button placement, as you can see right there. And if it is a case that you'd like to change the layout, you can do that. You can always tap on Refresh to change the layout, or tap on the settings cog right here. And from here, you can see different options that you can quickly use. So for example, if we were to tap on Drag and Drop, after you have tapped on Drag and Drop, you will see this option pop up to add elements. Now, if you were to tap on the plus, you can choose to add a text box, image, video, or any one of these elements quickly, as you can see right here. Now, let's say, for example, I would like to add a gallery. I could simply tap on the gallery right there, and you can see that the gallery option has now been added. And then we could tap on Edit and edit the photos that are currently there. And if it is a case that you would like to add an additional page, you can also do that. All you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option. And at the moment, you can see we have 1, 2, 3 pages. Now to add an additional page, you're going to tap on Add Another Page. Then after that, you're going to tap on Continue and add up to 5 pages. And you can see a new page has now been added. So we can tap right here. So let me tap on Home. Then I'm going to tap on Manage Pages. Then I'm going to tap on Add a New Page. And you can enter the page name. Then you'll simply tap on the sticky. You can see that the page has now been added right there. After the page has been added, you can tap on the page name. Once you have tapped on the page name, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go back to Site Design. Then you're going to tap on Add a New Section. And you can see the different sections. So whether it is a blog or portfolio you like to add, or an e-commerce page, you can do that. There are numerous sections that you can choose from, as you can see right here. Let's say I would like to add this testimonial. I can simply tap on it, and you can see that it has now been added. And if you would like to change the background, you could tap on Background from the top right hand corner. You can change the background color. You can change it to an image if you want. You can change it to a video if you want, as you can see right there. There are numerous editing options that you can get quick access to on the free plan. All you have to do is select the color you'd want, then tap on Save, and you can continue adding more elements by tapping on Add Item, or you can add a whole new section by by tapping on add new from the left hand menu option. Then let's say for example you like to add a call to action. You can tap on call to action. Then let's say for example's sake I want to add this, so I'll simply tap on it and you can see that it has now been added. And again, you can quickly edit the image and so on. And if you would like to change the style in the future, you can tap on styles from the top left hand corner. Then from there you can see the font option. You can change the font style, you can edit the header and navigation bar, and you can edit each section quite quickly. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on publish in the bottom left hand corner. Then you're going to tap on just publish free site. But if it is a case that you would like a custom domain name, you can tap on view pricing and upgrade. But if we were to tap on free plan, we'll be provided with a free URL. Then tap on next, then tap on publish once more. And you can see that our website is now live, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.